The Supreme Court has dismissed a plea seeking directions to centre and others to clear blockades on highways in Punjab where farmers are staging protests. A bench headed by Justice Surya Kant heard the plea, and a petition was filed in the Supreme Court by a social activist from Punjab who sought directions to the centre and others to remove restrictions on farmers' protests and to ensure that national highways and railway tracks are not blocked by the agitating farmers. So, Sambhav, we've seen that earlier a petition was filed in Supreme Court and now the Supreme Court has rejected that plea seeking clearance of blockades. And so what's the latest that's coming in?
This petition, this specific petition was filed in the Supreme Court yesterday, wherein the petitioners has argued extensively that the road blockages should be cleared and the Supreme Court should give a direction to the center and the state. The Supreme Court bench led by Justice Surya Kant today heard this petition and clearly dismissed it. The top court has dismissed this petition, wherein clearance of these blockages from the road was sought, and a direction to the center and the state government was sought in this petition. There were various arguments, remarks made by the top court, and one of the remarks was, why have you filed this petition? The top court has asked the petitioner, and also this gives such kind of petition, filing of such kind of petitions, and if the Supreme Court entertains such kind of petitions, this gives a wrong impression. And it's not that we are not aware, as in court said that we are aware of the issue, and it is not that you are only person who is concerned about it. We all are concerned about it, and there are already petitions in the Supreme Court. If you want to help or aid, assist the top court in those petitions, you are most welcome. But this current petition or any such fresh petition will not be entertained by the Supreme Court. This is what the top court said in this specific petitions case.
Summer, when it comes to the fact that you were just talking about what Supreme Court has stated, they've also have said a lot in this, is that you're not the only conscious keeper of the society while rejecting the plea to keep the farmers' protest blockades. And they also stated don't file repetitive petitions.
Actually, the petitioner specifically said in his petition that such kind of petitions, such kind of issues like blockades of road directly impact the fundamental rights. That is Article 14, right to equality, and Article 21 of Indian Constitution, right to life and liberty. So such kind of comments or remarks were made in the petition, and wherein the Supreme Court came down heavily on the petitioner and saying that you are not only the conscience keeper of the society, we are also aware what's going on in and around, and if you want to assist us in the pending petitions, the petitions already pending in the Supreme Court over this farmers protest issue, if you want to assist us in those petitions, you are most welcome. Otherwise, this particular petition is dismissed. This is what the bench led by Justice Surya Kant has said.